Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The Eufy Omni S1 Pro from Anker doesn't look like any other robotic vacuum out there. It stands tall, and that's a good description of how it performs as well. Like other competitors, it smartly maps your house before it gets down to the business of cleaning. It both vacuums and mops, has separate clean and dirty water tanks, and a compartment for Eufy's proprietary cleaning solution. It does a very impressive job, probably the best we've seen thus far, in really getting tile and hardwood floors clean. The price, like other top-of-the-line competitors, is in the premium range, about $1,500, and of course there are other expenses such as replacement bags and brushes as needed. Find more info at eufy.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com or just click on the link at techstination.com.